Welcome back to Infinite Horizons, your gateway to the world's most breathtaking destinations. Today, we're heading to Cancun, Mexico, a place where pristine beaches, ancient Mayan wonders, vibrant culture, and thrilling adventures all blend together to create the perfect getaway. Whether you're here for relaxation, exploration, or a bit of both, this guide will show you the very best things to do in and around Cancun. To begin our journey, let's start with what Cancun is most famous for: its breathtaking beaches. Our first stop is Playa Delfines, known for its wide stretches of golden sand and incredible ocean views. This is where you'll find the famous Cancun sign. It's the perfect beach for a peaceful sunrise or photos with the Caribbean backdrop. From the sweeping views of Playa Delfines, we head to a gentler coastline. Playa Langosta offers calm, shallow waters ideal for swimming and relaxing. Families love this spot, and its peaceful atmosphere makes it a great place to ease into your Cancun trip. Just a short drive along the hotel zone, the energy rises. Lively and full of activity, Playa Tortugas blends beachfront restaurants with water sports, and even a bungee tower for thrill seekers. If you prefer a quieter, more refined beach day, Isla Mujeres delivers tranquility and soft white sands, offering a more relaxed and exclusive vibe away from the crowds. The most remote, untouched shoreline, Isla Blanca, is a hidden gem, a long strip of sand between the sea and a calm lagoon. It's peaceful, secluded, and perfect for nature lovers or anyone seeking true escape. Once you've enjoyed the beaches, it's time to explore the cultural heartbeat of the region. The Mayan Museum of Cancun houses one of the most important collections of Mayan artifacts in all of Mexico. Inside, you'll find sculptures carved by ancient Mayan artisans, pottery, jade jewelry, ceremonial objects, hieroglyphic inscriptions, a detailed timeline of Mayan civilizations, and exhibits explaining daily life, astronomy, and religious beliefs. One of the highlights is its connection to the San Miguelito archaeological site, accessible from the museum grounds. Here, you can walk through small but real Mayan structures hidden among tropical vegetation. It's a peaceful introduction before seeing the grander sights inland. Next, we travel to the world-renowned Chichén Itzá, one of the new 7 wonders of the world, and arguably the most famous archaeological site in all of Mexico. Located about 2.5 hours from Cancun, it offers an unforgettable journey into the heart of the Mayan Empire. We'll begin at the heart of the site, El Castillo. This pyramid is a masterpiece of astronomical precision. There are 365 steps, one for each day of the year. During the equinox, the shadows look like a serpent sliding down the stairs. From here, the path naturally leads you to one of Chichen Itza's most impressive plazas, the Temple of the Warriors. Here you'll discover rows upon rows of stone columns that once supported a massive gathering hall. Walking through them gives you a sense of how alive and powerful this city once was. Just beyond this temple lies one of the most fascinating structures in the entire ancient world, the Great Ballcourt, the largest ball court in the Americas. It is where the famous Mesoamerican ball game was played, a high-stakes ritual that was equal parts sport and ceremony. It's one of the most atmospheric places on the site. From here, the trail leads to a structure with a different purpose, the observatory. This circular structure, known as El Caracol, was used by Mayan astronomers to track celestial events. Its windows aligned with solstices, equinoxes, and even the movement of Venus. Standing here, you get a sense of how deeply the Mayans studied the sky and how their observations shaped their culture. Next, the sacred cenote. This enormous sinkhole served as a ceremonial offering site. Items like jade, gold, pottery, and even human remains have been found here, revealing deep spiritual significance. Just a short walk away are some of the quieter, lesser-seen ruins, La Iglesia and the Red House. These smaller structures offer intricate carvings, ancient murals, and peaceful surroundings, giving insight into daily life and administrative functions within this vast city. But Cancun isn't just beaches and ruins. It's a living city filled with markets, street food, local shops and everyday life. Mercado 28 is a colorful open-air market in downtown Cancun. This is the place to find handcrafted souvenirs, embroidered textiles, leather goods, pottery, and traditional Mexican art. As you explore the stalls, you'll hear vendors calling out their best deals, smell the aroma of fresh tacos and churros, and see artisans creating pieces right before your eyes. Just nearby, Cancun's busiest street offers even more local flavor. Avenida Tulum is lined with cafes, taquerias, boutiques, and shops that reflect the everyday life of locals. Walking here gives you a real taste of Cancun beyond the resorts. Cancun is packed with adventure parks, unique experiences and activities that take your trip to the next level. We begin with one of the most extraordinary experiences anywhere in the world, swimming with whale sharks. From June to September, these gentle giants gather in the warm waters north of Cancun. Guided tours take you into the open sea, where you can snorkel alongside the world's largest fish. A peaceful, awe-inspiring moment that many travelers describe as life-changing. Located right on the beachfront, Ventura Park is all about fun and excitement. Here you can enjoy a fun-filled water park with water slides and wave pools. Soar through the air on exciting zip lines. Race your friends on the exhilarating go-karts. Hop on the hurricane roller coaster. Experience swimming with dolphins, plus so much more. If you want a more immersive experience, Xcaret is one of the most iconic eco-parks in Mexico. Here, you can swim through underground rivers that flow through natural caverns carved out over thousands of years. Explore the Butterfly Pavilion, one of the largest in the world, where thousands of butterflies swirl overhead. For ocean lovers, the Coral Reef Aquarium reveals the hidden world beneath the waves. See sea turtles and living coral formations, all part of its long-running conservation projects. Drift along the Paradise River on a peaceful boat ride, with waterfalls, wildlife, and lush jungle landscapes surrounding you. Discover the island of the big cats, and admire the majesty of the jaguar paired with its habitat. This fascinating species is naturally curious and likes to take long naps under rich shade. If you want even more excitement, Xcaret also offers shark and snorkel adventures. Sea Trek helmet diving, where you'll be able to walk and breathe on the bottom of the sea, just like on the surface. Dolphin and stingray encounters, plus so much more. As the sun sets, the park transforms into a spectacular evening show, celebrating centuries of Mexican history and culture. It's a highlight you won't want to miss. When night falls, Cancun celebrates in its own special way. Xochimilco Cancun is a floating fiesta. You'll board colorful wooden boats called trajineras and drift through the canals while mariachi bands play, dancers perform, and delicious Mexican dishes are served. It's lively, festive, and one of the most memorable nights you can have in Cancun. If you're in the mood for something a little more laid back, La Isla is Cancun's most charming shopping area. Built around peaceful canals with bridges, fountains, and waterfront restaurants. Whether you want to shop, take photos, ride the Ferris wheel, or visit the interactive aquarium, La Isla offers a relaxing break from the excitement. Just minutes away by ferry, Isla Mujeres offers a slower, more relaxed rhythm compared to Cancun's energy. The ferry ride sets the tone with sparkling blue water and ocean breezes. Once you arrive, you'll quickly notice the island's laid-back atmosphere. Golf carts are the main form of transportation, and renting one allows you to explore at your own pace. Known for its shallow, crystal-clear water and powder-soft sand, Playa Norte is often ranked among the best beaches in the world. Calm, beautiful, and perfect for swimming. It's the island's crown jewel and a must-see. At the island's southern tip, Punta Sur offers dramatic cliffs, sweeping views and sculptures dedicated to the Mayan goddess Ixchel. Nearby reefs provide excellent snorkeling, where you can swim among colorful fish and underwater statues. Cancun truly has it all: pristine beaches, rich Mayan history, thrilling adventures, natural wonders, and vibrant local culture. Whether you're here for relaxation or exploration, this tropical gem offers experiences you'll remember for a lifetime. If you enjoyed this travel guide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an adventure with Infinite Horizons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next destination.